Hello children, welcome back to my YouTube channel MindSpark. Okay, today's topic is square root. Okay, as you all know that square root actually the chapter will start from class 8, class 9 and class 10. Okay, in all the classes you need this square root solving. It's very important. Okay, so the square root, how to start about that? Okay, first of all there are some rules for square root. Okay, and in this you have to use only these numbers like 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 4 16, 5 into 5 25, 6 into 6 36. Okay, 7 into 7 49, 8 into 8 64, 9 into 9 81. These are the numbers you have to follow that. Okay, then we'll start solving. How to find out square root of 625. Okay, as you all know, this number, whether it is like whether it is there or not, there is a decimal point. Okay, so you know 625 has got a decimal point, and you have to classify. You have to make a pair of these numbers. How to make the pair of numbers from this direction? You know there is no pair for 6. You can put 0 here. Okay, say for example you are going in which direction? You are going in right to left. Okay, you are going in the direction right to left. Okay, so then you can see the first digit. If you see the first digit, where it's going to tally. Okay, which one will be suitable for this first digit? Either it should be equal or less than the 6 number. You can see here 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9. Out of these 3 numbers, 4 is the correct one, because if you take 1, it is very less than 6, and if you take 9 means it is more than 6, and 4 is the suitable one. You cannot take 2 into 3 is equal to 6, because that is against the rule of square root method. Okay, in square root method, whatever number you take, you should multiply with the same number. Okay, you understand? So here you are going to take 2 twos are 4 and subtract it. So whatever number you are taking, with the same number you should multiply. Okay, so then 6 minus 4 is how much? 2. Okay, then comes you have to bring 2 digits at a time. Okay, you have to bring 2 digits at a time. So which are the digits? That is 2 and 5. Okay, so bringing 2 and 5. Now what is the new number? The new number is 225. Okay, so then 2, the 2 number you can double it. Say 2 plus 2 is 4, or you can write 2 plus 2 as 4. When you write 4, you give a small gap here, so that next number you can fill it. Okay, so this is the thing. Now after getting, you are ending up at 5. You can see the number which is at 5, last number. So that last number you can put 5 here. Before that, what are the options? Which are the options you are going to see? That is, say for this 4 you can put 0, and the rule is you have to multiply with 0. Whatever number you put. Suppose after this 4, if you put 0 means you should multiply with 0. That is the rule. Okay. Then next option is you can put 1. When you put 1, you should multiply with 1. That is compulsory. Okay. Then you have 2. You have to multiply with 2. Then you have, if you put 3, you multiply with 3. If 4 is there, you multiply with 4. If 5, you are putting 5, you multiply with 5. These are all the options. Okay, and in these options you can see first one 0. So 225 is far more than 0. Then next comes 41, which is not matching with 225. Then this is 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. 84 is also not matching. 9, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Then 4 fours are 16, 1, 4 fours 16, 16 plus 1, 17. Then 5 fives are 25, 2 carry, 5 fours are 20, 20 plus 2 is 225. You can see the last number. You can see the last number. It is tallying or is matching with 225. You can write 225. And your answer is 0. So here 5 and exactly 0, in between 0 and 6 I wrote exactly above 2, and in between 2 and 5 I wrote 5. If you maintain all in a line, and it looks very legible. So your handwriting really matters. In your 10th class you have to do so many problems. You have to go for square root. If you don't know how to find out square root, you will be in trouble. Okay, so please say compulsorily you have to learn this, how to find out square root. Okay, so this is about the 625, this problem. Okay, coming to next problem. Okay, shall we do next problem? Yeah. So coming to next problem is 1764. Okay, again there is a decimal point, and you can put any number of zeros here, this side. Okay, any number of zeros you can put. So again, what is the first step? You have to make pairs. You have to make what? Pairs. In what direction? From right to left. You make pairs. Okay, already it's paired. Okay, 6 and 4 is one pair, and 1 and 7 is one pair. Okay, so 17, where it matches you can observe, and you have to compulsorily, and it's the rule of square roots that you have to find out where it matches. Okay, you can see 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, and 5 5s are 25. All the three, out of these three numbers, 16 is very close to 17. Either it should be equal or it should be less than that. So how you get 16? How you are going to get 16? That is 4 into 4. You take the same number. Okay, what number you are taking, or what you are multiplying with the same number you should multiply, that is 16. Okay, so then 17 minus 16 is how much? 1. See, 1 you should write all in line. Okay, that you should keep in mind. Next 2 digits, that is 2 digits you are going to bring down. Okay, which are the 2 digits? That is 6 4. The pairs you are going to bring down, that is 6 and 4 is another pair, and 4, the double of that 4, that is how much? 8, or 8, 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, so this 8, for this 8 you have all the options. Okay, before knowing these options you should see the last number. Last number is what? 4. Then what you should do, this 4, you can see here, either 2 2s are 4 or 8 8s are 64. So either both of them it will match. So you can go for that option, that is either you put 2 multiply by 2, and you put 8 multiply by 8. In both the cases you will get the last even number as last unit number as 4. Okay, you can see here which one will match. You'll see. So 2 8s are 16. So 164, it is matching. No need to find out this. 88 into 8, no need to find. But still it has the option, that is the last number, that is unit number is 4. Then if you have to put 2 here, and between 6 and 4 you write 2. You understand? Between 1 and 7 I wrote 4. Between 6 and 4 you write 2. Then the number is 164, and the remainder is 0. Okay. So this is how you find out, that is square root of 1764 is equal to 42. If you want to check, suppose you have time after writing is in examination, if you have time, you can check this. Okay, by multiplying 42 into 42. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, and 4 2s are 8, and 4 4s are 16. You can see here 16 1 1764. See, you can get that. Okay, thanks for watching.